Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're working here on a Dodge Journey, which in the rest of the world that same vehicle is known as Fiat Freemont. So if you have Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont, this video will be helpful to you now. If you guys have a vehicle like that and your climate control, does not work, and I'm talking about the climate control right here, and when you turn the ignition on you cannot adjust your temperature or something doesn't work right, the blower motor, something like that. We'll show you guys where to find the fuses for that thing. Now you have two fuses actually. One is a little bit hidden, so stay with us and I'm going to show you. It's not listed good in the manual, so that's why we decided to make the video as well. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Now we need to go to the passenger side, and you will notice that we already removed the glove box. You do not have to do that. The only reason we removed the glove box is so we can show you with the camera a little bit better where the fuses are. They're right underneath the glove box. And there you'll notice you have that cap right here. You need to pull the cap out. You can see that thing. Push it out and pull down. This is your fuse layout. Now the fuse that we need to find, guys, the first fuse is called F109. Right here. It's part of the HVAC system. HVAC 109 10 amp fuse. So this is, guys, let me show you now. This is the fuse, right here. This fuse. That second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth fuse. This is for your climate control. Another fuse that could be for the climate control, guys. If you come on this side now, guys, you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth fuse, guys, this is fuse number 130. This is for the HVAC as well. So check these two fuses. It could be each one of them. So it's pretty simple. You remove them with the fuse puller like that. So if you need to replace it, we have the replacement ones and the part numbers in the description of the video below. So please check them out. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.